Hey guys, Dominique again, lead catalog manager here at Sunken Stone, and today we are learning why an Amazon inventory strategy is an investment in your brand. As an Amazon seller, your primary goal is to secure more sales and to grow your business into what you've always dreamed of. In order to achieve this on Amazon, you need to adhere to Amazon's algorithm, which prioritizes a positive customer experience. As I'm sure you've seen from your own Amazon purchases, they work tirelessly to ensure you are a happy camper. And as a seller, you need to prepare for that mindset of clientele. On the flip side, there's no experience more negative than a customer not receiving their order, receiving an improperly packaged order, or missing essential items to their order. All of these examples are due to poor inventory management. This is why an Amazon inventory strategy is crucial, as a positive and negative brand reputation is built on reviews. Every review is a customer experience that can either make or break your brand. Thank you very much for watching, and please go ahead and like and subscribe below. Make sure that you also pick up your copy of the Ultimate Amazon Playbook. In the next video, we will be talking about calculating your inventory turnover, replenishment strategy, and a little bit of forecasting. Thank you so much.